Honey, this water is not very warm. Honey, this water is cold. Hey, we need hot water. Are you gonna fix this? Hope you don't want to shower. There's no hot water.
Call Best Care Plumbing, Heating and Air.
Call today and we'll even give you $300 for that old tank water heater. Never run out of hot water again. You deserve the best.